Who says you can't turn your passion into profit from the comfort of your own home? Today we explore the exhilarating world of freelancing, where your skills can open doors to diverse income streams and unparalleled flexibility. Here are 5 effective ways to earn money as a freelancer. First up, dive into the boundless realm of content creation. Whether it's blogging, video production, or podcasting, content is king. By crafting engaging and informative content, you position yourself as a thought leader in your niche. Monetize this skill by collaborating with brands, engaging in affiliate marketing, or starting a subscription service. Next, consider the lucrative field of freelance graphic design. Every business from burgeoning startups to established corporations needs appealing visuals to attract and retain customers. Offer your services for logo design, marketing materials, or even user interface design for websites and apps. Platforms like Behance or Dribbble can showcase your portfolio and attract potential clients. Third, tap into the ever-growing demand for web development. With businesses striving to establish robust online presences, skilled web developers are in high demand. From creating simple websites to complex e-commerce platforms, your coding skills can fetch a premium. Use platforms like GitHub to display your work and connect with clients who need your expertise. Fourth on the list is freelance consulting. Leverage your industry-specific knowledge by advising businesses on strategies to improve efficiency, increase revenue, or enhance employee productivity. This role not only pays well, but also grows your professional network and opens up further opportunities. Lastly, explore the world of virtual assistants. Many businesses seek help managing daily tasks such as email correspondence, scheduling, and data entry. If you are organized and have a keen eye for detail, this could be the perfect freelancing route for you. Websites like Upwork or virtual assistant jobs can be starting points to launch your services. In summary, freelancing offers a plethora of opportunities to capitalize on your skills and passions. From content creation and graphic design to web development, consulting, and virtual assistants, each path provides a unique way to craft a career that fits your lifestyle. Harness these opportunities and watch your freelancing career soar to new heights. Happy freelancing!